What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna show you how to replace a blown light bulb or upgrading from halogen to LED on a 2008 Infiniti EX35. Let's start on the driver's side. To access the light bulb, twist the cover counterclockwise. It might be on a bit snug. Carefully remove the old light bulb by twisting it the same direction. Next, unplug the harness. Now insert the new light bulb into the socket and install it back. Moving to the passenger side, remove the wiring harness to gain access to the cover. Once you've done that, follow the same steps as the driver's side to replace the light bulb. And that's it! Congratulations on successfully replacing the light bulbs on your 2008 Infiniti EX35. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button, and thanks for watching.